The Bad Airlines.
Dress it up with badchad, chrome in a roll, just pull and glide. Cut it clean, slap it on, take pride. Badchad stick on chrome, shine it up from car to home. Roll it out, trim it tight, stick it on and watch it light on your toolbox, fridge or phone. Make it pop with badchad chrome. In the driveway, in the den, on the mower, bikes. Every shelf and every drawer. Once you start, you'll chrome some more. Badchad stick on chrome, shine it up from car to home. Roll it out, trim it tight, stick it on and watch it light from the bumper to the workshop zone. Make it pop with badchad chrome. Badchad stick on chrome, stick it, badchad chrome.
Badchad Chrome is available nationwide in all stick-on chrome stores. Chadbad is not responsible for the use or sale of this product and accepts no responsibility or liability for damages or laughs that result from the use of this product.
If you want fish eyes and a shit paint job, use Winndexx. If you want to be cheap and you don't really care, use Winndexx. If you want to ruin paint as best as you can, use Winndexx. Then rub it with your hands.
I still think the best way to take dirt off on your hand. Just make sure there's no pizza on them.
I agree with you, son. I agree with you.
Chadbad Winndexx is in no way associated with real Winndexx. Do not use Winndexx on your car, dog, boss, or spouse. Any resemblance to real and living persons in this advertisement is a mere coincidence. Winndexx is not available in Canadian Bondo stores. Don't blame us. Thank you for your attention to this matter.
If you do not touch the car, you will not know if there's dirt on it. There's no possible way. You have to touch the car. If you don't wipe your hands on it, it's pretty hard to tell if you got dirt on your car.
We interrupt this mess to bring you breaking news. A bus driver has stolen his own bus, and after releasing the kids on board was last seen heading toward Jimbo's house. Witnesses observed the man talking to a toy chicken, before he drove off yelling, "Ida's stuff, Ida's stuff."
So me and Emily were over the shop and we picked up this Bugatti emblem, which was given to us in the mail.
Yeah.
Don't leave it on it because it'll fall and hit that.
Totally, but it looks really pretty.
Man, chippy that.
Thanks for whoever sent that in.
Yeah, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Beautiful gift. And it's really well done. It's machined. You would have to buy that at a museum or something somewhere. That's where that came from, no doubt in my mind. I appreciate your thought. You're a good person. You know why? Because you had good thoughts. Cheers. Cheers.
What I always wanted to do, you know, when you have a friend maybe pass over at the house, and I'd like glue a set of big toenails on him.
All right, like real scrap toenails?
Well, like just get a pair of like your fingernails, but
right, yeah.
Glue them on their toenails, and they'd wake up with big toenails.
All right. All right.
Oh, that'd be hilarious. I've always thought about doing. I'm gonna have to glue myself a set on when I untape a car.
What the f?
This is Houston. Say again, please.
Houston, we have a problem.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Elon Musk is no longer making Mars his top priority. Instead, he's turning to the moon. SpaceX wants to build what Musk calls a self-growing city on the lunar surface. And he believes it could be ready in less than 10 years. So why is Musk changing his strategy? What makes the moon more attractive than Mars right now? Our next report tells you.
Thank you, Cindy. Yes, that is correct. The moon is more attractive. Not as attractive as you though, Cindy. Anyway, the reason the moon is more attractive than Earth is because the Earth no longer exists after that numbnuts YouTuber from Canning blew it up. Also, the moon was close to Earth. Good news though, Cindy. The moon now has the first chop shop in space and a man called Chad Bad has offered to run it. I asked him why and he said, I'm not sure, and the reason being is I'm not sure, no doubt in my mind. Back to you in the studio, Cindy.
I got a credit card yesterday in the mail, and it was broken in half. And I was thinking, man, who done that? Or why would somebody do that? But I got thinking, it had to be some cold for that to break like that. That credit card, eh, Emily?
Did you say cold?
It must have been frozen cold for that credit card to snap in half like that. It could have been a lot different than what I thought at first.
Yes.
Hey, Emily, yes.
So when you assume the worst, you get this negative energy that is unnecessary, huh?
Well, it could have went something like that, Emily. It could have went something like that. I was thinking, son of a bitch, who bent my credit card?
Yeah.
You know something? I was laying in bed last night, and I actually figured out that I am an artist, and I will say that in all honesty because I do not care what anybody thinks about what I do, and that's what an artist is. An artist is somebody that will make something and build something and do something, and not worry about what anybody thinks. I got a feeling it's gonna be a great day. Satisfying, isn't it, Emily?
Yeah, it is. It's nice to watch the color change.